Hello people, Simon speaking. Today I will show you how you can loft in another way using curves when you use the surfaces inside Blender. But you have to activate this plugin add-on because by default it's not on. But it has large possibilities, this tool, and you can do lots of stuff. Today I will show you how to bridge polygons. I will delete all the polygons, and I will use curve to bridge polygons. Wait a minute, I shouldn't delete this, only faces. Okay. If you want to switch to orthographic viewport, you click button on right side of keyboard button 5, which is numpad and 4 arrows. You should see in the middle where 4 arrows are button 5. Okay. After that, I created curves, but I will show you technique which will allow you to quickly connect it. First of all, I was thinking to reduce number of edges to speed the process up, because I think I don't need too many edges, because this will take time to loft object. I think if we have a number of edges like that, that should be fine. But at the same time, I will have to remove up per polygon. In edit mode, you copy polygon. Now we will add to the scene curve Bezier. I would like to switch to orthographic viewport so I can rotate in more accurate way curve. Oh no, still not perfect. Because we will copy curve, we will copy that curve clockwise, and I will show you quickly how to do that. First, we will turn snapping on. We will choose closest and only move. You don't have to use this and this. And we select the gray circle and you drag by left mouse button. And I think I will have to subdivide vertices, because I want to create custom shape. I forgotten to change approximation, because I need a proper shape to achieve a final result. Because this is completely different method how I will show you. Sorry, it will Shift D. We will copy curve. Make sure points are touching polygons. Now we will have to rotate curve a little bit like that. Hopefully this will not take too long. I wish I knew shortcut keyboard. Shift tab. Okay, that's fine. I just didn't know if this has a shortcut keyboard. Shift tab. Oh, great, wonderful. I can use keyboard shortcut for snapping. Shift D is for copying. This will speed up modeling process. You can see our shape. This is what we want. And bear with me because I still have to copy. For some shortcut keywords, I will have to get used to. Oh no. Did I move this correctly? I think I'm okay. Shift D. Please make sure you save your project, because sometimes when Blender crashes, you have to do from the beginning. Everything you have to do from the beginning if Blender crashes, because none of the programs are perfect. There is no program, there's no computer program which is perfect. All programs are failing from time to time. Shift D. We only have couple curves to adjust. Shift D. And after performing last step, I really want to show you what step we're supposed to do. I wish I had reduced number of points. I know this process can take up to a couple minutes, but final result will be great, people. Believe me, it will be great. Okay, now I will select this. We have to have polygons selected, and I don't have much time because it's getting late and I have to go to the gym in a minute. We have to have points selected. Okay, I think everything seems to be okay, hopefully. I can't remember if no, you don't have to deselect point here. I think you are okay with that. Only when you use different technique, when you connect polygons, we have to get rid of this, and we choose this object, and we choose this object. I will double check if my points are selected, and I will add a curve. You can see what beautiful shape I generated. When you deselect a cyclic cross, we will have a graph. Sorry, not this one. Loops on strokes. This doesn't work without loops on strokes. You can see how beautiful shape is. I hope you like my video. See you guys.